vacuum, venting of vacuum, maintains the vehicle's speed. The control unit monitors the circuits of the following switches to ensure that all switches are in the proper position prior to engaging the automatic cruise control. Cruise control main switch, cruise control set and cancel switch, clutch pedal switch for manual transmissions, inhibitor switch for automatic transmissions, stop lamp switch, and brake pedal switch. Let's look at an example of a cruise control system that won't engage. Let's start by road testing the vehicle to confirm the condition. We'll try to set the vehicle speed at several different speeds over 45 miles per hour. Just like the customer says, the control unit gathers input from the different switches prior to engaging cruise control. Some switches, such as the stop lamp switch and the inhibitor switch, must be open for the electronic control module to enable cruise control. While other switches, such as the main switch, set switch, brake pedal switch, and clutch switch, must be closed to allow the cruise control to operate. An understanding of normally open and normally closed switches is essential to diagnosing cruise control.
Motherfucker, you're supposed to teach us.
We also know switches at the control unit. Remember, we can't use a test lamp on an electronic control unit or we'll damage the sensitive circuits. So we'll have to use a digital multimeter set to the voltage test. Testing an electronic control unit for voltage requires that the terminal connector remain in place to back probe the terminals and the connectors and hook our meter probes to the pins. We can test the individual switches by testing for the presence of voltage or for the switch when the ignition key is on and the switch is turned on. We can connect our digital multimeter between the terminal for the main. We should also have battery voltage. That means the circuit on the set switch is okay. The wiring diagram tells us the brake cancel switch is normally closed, meaning we should have battery voltage at the terminal for the cutoff circuit. Our reading is 0 volts. That means the brake switch or the brake switch circuit is open. And opening that switch or circuit has the same effect as stepping on the brake pedal. The cruise control will not engage. Let's test the switch. We can use the ohm-meter function of the digital multimeter to test the switch. If we test the switch at the connector, we should have continuity with the brake released, and no continuity with the brake pedal depressed.